Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can remove redirection in cpanel. For example, if you have performed some redirection earlier and now you want to get rid of that redirection, how you can do that? For example, if I go here and type enable business market, then here you can see it is redirected to another subdomain 2.enablebusinessmarket.com. So how I can remove this redirection? First of all, you need to go in your web hosting and then click on cpanel. After that, you will get this interface. Scroll down and you can find out all of the domains here. Then if you want to go in redirects, then you can find out all the redirects here. Scroll down and here you can see this one. This subdomain is redirected to this one. So just you can go here and click on delete button, then again click here remove redirect. So now I can go here and type enablebusinessmarket.com, and still here you can see this is cache issue. So now let me try it in guest browser. Let me click here and after that open guest profile, then press enter, and now here you can see it's working fine. So sometimes due to cache issue, then you will not get that real-time result. So you need to go in guest browsing to see the real-time interface.